Okay, hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 974, that is Subarray Sums Divisible by K, and in this will be an integer and nums and an integer Q, and we have to return the number of non-empty subarrays that have a sum divisible by K, and it's similar to previous question only, the question we did last day. Okay, for example, we are having 450 minus 2 minus 3 1, and there are total 7 subarrays with the sum which is divisible by K is equal to 5. So first one is this sum comes out to be 4 and 5, 9, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 5, that sums up to 4, and 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 is divisible by 5, yeah, true. 5 alone is a subarray, 5 0 is a subarray, 5 0 minus 2 minus 3 is a subarray, 0 is a subarray in itself, 0 minus 2 minus 3, yeah, minus 5 is divisible as well, and minus 5 alone is divisible as well, okay. So yeah, total number of subarrays comes out to be 7, okay, and we have to return this only. So firstly we'll be starting off with the prefix sum only. We'll be having a variable, let's say prefix sum, that is initially 0, and then what we'll be having is we'll be using the modified prefix sum approach only, when which we need to use a hash map. So we'll be having an integer of a map of integer and integer with new hash map, and we'll be for the current next we'll be setting the length of the subarray is 0, okay. So firstly for map dot put 0 comma 1, 1, okay, and then we'll be iterating in the nums array, that for int num and nums. We don't need an index in this case, so we can just use a simple iterator as well. So firstly what oh okay, and we need to have the count variable as well, my bad. Count is equal to 0, okay, and then what we'll be doing is we'll be adding my in my prefix sum, we'll be updating it as plus equal to my current number, and then we'll be having, let's say, a modded sum variable, okay, or let's say just some mod, that will be equal to prefix sum mod, okay. Okay, and then what we'll be checking is we'll be checking that if sum is less than 0 or some mod is less than 0, basically in the case of we are having, let's say, a negative integer, or let's say we are having a negative remainder, in that case, like for example minus 5 mod k, that would be like minus 1, okay, or something somewhere like minus 1, minus 5 mod, if I will never definitely not be minus 1, okay. So in this case what we have to do is we'll be increasing the sum mod value by k plus equal to k to make it less like from to make it a positive integer, and then we'll be checking that if map dot contains key, that is my current sum mod. What I'll be doing is I'll be updating my count plus equal to map dot get sum mod, okay. And then what else I'll be putting in the map will be the like with this sum mod I am already having the value, so I'll be just appending it to 1 comma map dot get or default 0, oh sorry, sum mod or comma 0. Okay, my bad, just the indentation, yeah, plus 1. Else what I'll be doing is that with this current sum mod I haven't found any value, so I'll be just putting it with the 1, that this means that I have only encountered this value once. Sum mod comma 1, and at the end I just have to return the count. Okay, so now let's give it a run, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Yeah, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so just wait for today. Thank you for watching.